Welcome to Artificial Professor. And in this video I will explain how to group and ungroup elements in Canva. So as you see, I have a thumbnail, and a lot of elements are used in this thumbnails, so how can I group these all together? So the process is quite simple and easy. First of all, click on this thumbnail. After clicking select all, and you will see the option group, simply tap on this one. You see now all of these are grouped together. If you want to ungroup this, then again, tap on this. And here is the option. Ungroup, tap on this one. Now these elements are ungrouped, but if this icon is not showing, then what you have to do is simply again, tap on this one and select all. And do a right click on your mouse, and here is the option group, select this one. And again, all of the elements are grouped together, and by using the same way, you can ungroup elements. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.